Hi there. I'm 19 years old, currently living in Farnham, England. This past week, I've had the chance to settle down in my new home, take a deep breath, and think about what has happened. The last month I've been traveling a lot, and at the end of the summer, here I am, a day before I start university. Having the time to go back and think about what has happened lately, I just come up with these questions. What if I had failed my exams? What if I had chosen a different course? What if I had missed my flight? Does it matter what the answers to those questions are? Not really. I'm surrounded by great people. Every single one of them has a different perspective on life. Since I'm really interested in how others see the world around us, up until this point in my life, I'm still finding out new visions that make me stop for a moment and think about them. But there is one thing that we all have in common as human beings. Whenever bad times come across, and I mean like really bad times that quite easily take you down and destroy you, that's when you start questioning yourself. Where did I go wrong? To be honest, there is no time. I understand that life is made of ups and downs, but you don't actually know how much time you have on this earth, or in the place you are right now, or even being the person you are right now. I'm not telling you don't ever waste your time crying again or stressing about something. Just don't focus your whole attention on that specific thing for too long. Because life has never waited for somebody and never will. So just get out there and make the most out of your life.
Birds flying high, you know how I feel. Sun in the sky, you know how I feel. Breeze drifting on by, you know how I feel. It's a new dawn, it's a new day, it's a new life for me, and I'm feeling good. Dragonfly out in the sun, you know what I mean, don't you know? Butterflies all having fun, you know what I mean. Sleeping bees when day's done, that's what I mean. In its old world, it's a new world and a bold world for me, and I'm feeling good. Oh, I'm feeling so good, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Stars, when you shine, you know what I feel. Scents of the pine, you know what I feel. This freedom is so mine, and I know how I feel. It's a new dawn, it's a new day, it's a new life. It's a new dawn, it's a new day, it's a new life. It's a new dawn, it's a new day, it's a new life, it's a new life for me, and I'm